In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First, open Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, but this time to tap on More Privacy Settings, from where you can finally access Permission Manager over here. Tap on one of your options like Location, and to manage it, select one of your apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's start with Calendar from Not Allowed one. Apply any of those options by clicking on it. In my case, Location access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. So when I tap and go back, I can set Calendar gained access to my device's location while I'm using it. But what most people miss is that you can actually pick any feature and tap on an app you want to manage instead. So for example, I will enter my microphone only to manage Chrome. So I have to click on it here. Select this black text underlined line, see all Chrome permissions, and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!